Click on File New Test. New Test dialog box opens. To create a new test, first browse the folder which contains recorded script and click OK. The script will be shown in the available script pane. Select the script you need and click Add. The selected script will be added to Added Script to Test pane. To remove the script from the test, just select the script from the Added Script to Test pane and click Remove. Once the necessary scripts are added to the test, click OK and save the test. Click on the script and click on the Test Settings in the toolbar. Test Settings script pane shows all the scripts selected for the current test. There is an option to add virtual users to be created for this particular script. By default, every virtual user performed one iteration. To perform more than one iteration, use Iteration option. It can be done in two ways. 1. Iteration by numbers. For example, if the value is 5, all the virtual users in this script will perform 5 iterations. 2. Iteration by time. In this method we have to specify time in minutes. For example, if the value is 10 minutes, the script runs for 10 minutes and perform as much as iteration possible within the time limit. If the web application uses cookies, Generate Cookies option should be enabled, otherwise the test may fail. If the parameterization structure is already created with Recorder module, this option should be enabled. If this option is used without creating parameterization structure, the default value will be used. If the response validation is already set in the script in Recorder module, then Validate Server Response option should be checked to enable response validation. Think time is the time taken by the user while recording between events. Using the first option, replay think time from script, the simulator emulates the think time as recorded. To modify the think time, use second option, enter value in seconds and milliseconds. To disable think time, enter value 0. After setting all required options in the Test Settings dialog box, click on Apply and then click OK. Select the script and click on Test Options button. A test may contain more than one script and these scripts can be run sequentially. We can stop the running script in two ways. By selecting the first option, the script will stop only after completing current running script. To stop immediately, use second option. Here the test will stop after clicking the Stop button. Before starting simulation process, we can add, delete virtual user to a script by clicking Add Virtual User and Delete Virtual User button in the toolbar. To add and delete more than one virtual user at a time, we need to use this option. During the simulation process, the simulator will try to connect with the server. If the connection not established, it will try for 2 times, which is default option. To try more than 2 times, change this option. During simulation process, the simulator send request to the server, waits for server response. The simulator wait for 120 seconds, which is default value. If the simulator did not get any response from the server within this time limit, simulator moves to the next request. To change the received timeout period, use this option. Iteration is nothing but a virtual user completes its process and repeat the process once again. Using this option, we can give delay between each iteration or start the iteration as soon as possible. A test may contain more than one script during simulation process. Using first option, each script can be simulated sequentially. We can simulate all the script concurrently using second option. After setting all required options, click OK. After getting all options ready for simulating the test, click on Run button in toolbar and set the result directory and click OK. The script status window shows the status of virtual user in the first 5 columns and then number of hits, kilobytes sent and kilobytes received. The window shows the status of all virtual user. The virtual user is down or running or passed or failed or stopped. Iteration column shows current iteration number of total iteration given to execute. Script column shows the name of script. Server column shows the name of the machine to which the simulator generating load. And elapsed time shows the time elapsed since simulation start. The end result, errors occurred, will be displayed in this window.